Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss briefly some things you may want to be aware of, what you might want to bring if you are coming from America, especially to visit India. We're going to talk about Wi-Fi, internet, and what to expect here. Go ahead, Shub.
If you are coming from the America, especially to the India, about the phones, any phone, all the phone works here. Just because of the being Americans, you have different plans there inside in your phone, in your iPhones. You need a small equipment we call Wi-Fi. It's available here for the $20. You will need an Indian SIM card. You will put the Indian SIM card in the equipment, the Wi-Fi equipment, and you will have Wi-Fi for all the time. The data is not very expensive. It's very non-expensive here data. Just for an example, I just buy the plan of $3 for 1 month, and extra additional 50 GB data I will just buy in another $3-4. So in $7 you can have a lot data for a month, and it would be great. You just need a Wi-Fi equipment and Indian SIM card. When you will go to buy Indian SIM card, you need one Indian person with you, with the Indian those who have Indian national ID, and with you have passport, your own passport. They will give you the SIM card. The SIM card doesn't cost anything. It will just the plan you are buying. You will pay for the plan you are buying. The second thing, it would be very wonderful if you take this adapter with you. It's a charging adapter with this plugs. It will come with the many plugs like this from various kind of switch boards. This will work in India, and there is a 3-pin. It will also work in India. So all the plan this equipment will come with you. We call charging adapters.
Can you take it off so she can see exactly what it looks like, how it plugs in?
It is like this. You have to do like this. So it's like this. You have to put here. It will come with many things. So wherever you will go in the entire world, you will have already with you. So it will help you everywhere, wherever you will go, because in Africa they use different adapters, in India they use different, in US you guys use different adapters, in the Europe they use different. So it will help you anywhere. And this adapter, this portable caps, this USB, it's good. You will keep this 3-4 USB with you, because you are coming from US, so you will have the good quality, and you keep with your iPhones, so that will work. Same with the computers. Your computers will work here. You will connect with your own Wi-Fi. The wonderful things about India is the Wi-Fi, the data is not very costly, so you can buy your own SIM card, and it's wonderful. You work with your own SIM card. You will not bother about the Wi-Fi wherever, in the hotels, in the guest house, or wherever you will travel. You will have your own Wi-Fi all the time. If you buy just $20 equipment, you will put Indian SIM card, and you will have the Wi-Fi.
Oh, the other thing that I want to mention very quickly, since it's a very long flight coming from America to India, depending on how long you're stopped over in the airport and how easily available it is to charge your phone, I'd recommend a really good battery pack.
Battery pack.
Yeah, so bring a battery pack. So this is just the basic things, but just I bought it's a whole pack of these adapter plugs, and it's really handy to travel with. And really, I think this is really all that I think is necessary to bring. What do you think, Shirley?
Yes, the adapters, battery packs, and phone. If you have these things, literally because you will have data all the time, so you can use your phone wherever, because the data connectivity is good in India.
Yes, and worst case scenario, even if you arrive here in India, either you can purchase things in the market. This just makes it more convenient, because then you come, you already have everything, and you don't have to, it will save you time from familiarizing yourself in the markets here, because we'll do another video on the markets. it's not quite so easy just to pop into a Walmart or somewhere to pick up things. You have to kind of know where you're going and who to ask.
Yes.
So
It's always good. I will tell you, like, you just need a Indian person with you to buy one SIM card, but SIM card doesn't cost anything. The plan only. So the plan comes only in $3 and $4 for 1 month, and you will have the data, 2 GB data for daily, and it's wonderful. So that's all. You need three things: Wi-Fi equipment, which comes in $20. You will need Indian SIM card, and your phone will work all the time.
yes, thank you, Shub.
Thank you.
Let us know. Hopefully this answers
Yes.
some of your questions. We'll do other videos to come
Yes.
with other.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Subscribe the channel,
Yes.
share. Thank you.